why does responsibility always come with consequences?
Great question. Now you are thinking like someone who really wants to grow. This is where the story gets interesting, because Isaiah speaks to people who kept ignoring wisdom, justice, and responsibility. Let's slow down and look carefully. Isaiah shows how choices slowly shape both individuals and entire nations. This might surprise you. The brain naturally avoids uncomfortable truth when people repeat unhealthy habits for a long time. Most people miss this part. Isaiah was not only warning people about punishment, he was trying to help them change direction before deeper damage happened. Here is the deeper layer. Responsibility matters because repeated choices slowly shape character, thinking, and emotional patterns.
So, what does that actually mean?
1. This is where the story begins to unfold in a deeper way. Isaiah shows people drifting away from wisdom and justice over time. 2. Now we start to see what was really happening beneath the surface. Unhealthy choices were slowly affecting the heart and mind. 3. This part is easy to skip, but it matters. People often ignored warning signs because short-term comfort felt easier. 4. Here is where growth quietly begins. Honest reflection helps people recognize harmful patterns before they become stronger. 5. This connects directly to real life. People today still struggle with ignoring small problems until they grow much bigger. 6. This is the layer that shapes character over time. Responsibility teaches the brain to connect choices with long-term outcomes.
Does the brain really change from small steps?
Yes. First, your brain truly changes when you repeat small actions. Repeated choices slowly strengthen certain emotional and behavioral pathways. Second, this is how habits slowly become automatic. The brain learns patterns through repetition and reward. Third, emotions grow stronger the more we rehearse them. Pride and impulsiveness grow stronger when repeated daily. Then, neural pathways begin firing faster and more efficiently. Wise reflection slowly becomes easier with practice. Next, repeated reactions shape identity without us noticing. People slowly become more disciplined or more reactive over time. Finally, what feels small today becomes powerful tomorrow. Repeated choices quietly shape the future of both the brain and character.
How does this show up in real life?
1. Think about how this shows up in school or work. Many people ignore small unhealthy habits because the consequences feel delayed. 2. Notice how emotions often react before logic. Fear and pride can make people avoid correction. 3. Watch what happens when stress repeats daily. Emotional exhaustion slowly weakens wise decision-making. 4. Small habits quietly create bigger patterns. Repeated dishonesty or selfishness slowly affects relationships and trust. 5. Modern life makes this even more visible. Many people want quick comfort instead of slow, healthy growth.
So, small equals big?
Yes. First, small steps almost always look unimpressive at the beginning. Wise choices rarely feel dramatic early on. Second, repetition is what gives them strength. Daily responsibility slowly builds emotional maturity. Third, steady practice builds quiet momentum. The brain slowly learns healthier ways to respond. Then, what once felt difficult becomes natural. Honesty and self-control slowly become easier over time. Lastly, consistency turns small faith into strong character. Just like tiny bricks slowly build a strong wall together.
So, how do I start?
Step 1. Pause and notice what is actually happening inside you, especially during moments of stress or temptation. Step 2. Allow yourself to feel it without rushing. Honest awareness helps the brain slow down. Step 3. Choose one small action instead of waiting for a big feeling. Even one wise decision matters. Step 4. Reflect gently instead of criticizing yourself. Growth usually develops through repeated practice. Step 5. Repeat tomorrow. Because growth loves consistency, small responsible choices slowly reshape character.
What should we do today?
1. Choose something simple, not dramatic. Take responsibility for one small habit today. 2. Start smaller than you think you need to. Even one honest choice matters. 3. Observe your reactions carefully. Notice when pride or avoidance appears. 4. Adjust without quitting. Responsibility grows through repeated practice. 5. Come back tomorrow and build again. Small wise choices slowly create strong character. Remember, responsibility is not meant to crush people. It is meant to help people grow wiser and stronger over time. God cares deeply about our choices because repeated habits slowly shape the brain, emotions, and future. Every small faithful decision is helping your character, thinking, and relationships grow stronger each day. If this sparked curiosity, share this video with someone you care about. Learning grows stronger together.
See you in the next episode.